Life's a pitch, plain and simple. We're always trying to influence others, get their buy-in, move them to action. My name's Dominic Colenso and I started my career as a professional actor. My claim to fame, to save you clicking away and Googling me, is playing Virgil Tracy in the Hollywood remake of Thunderbirds alongside Sir Ben Kingsley and the late Bill Paxton. I now share the skills I learned from some of the world's greatest actors, directors and writers with sales teams and business leaders to help them pitch and perform more effectively. On this channel, you'll find loads of tips and tricks videos to help you become a better communicator, as well as the recordings of my Why Life's a Pitch podcast, where I interview amazing people from business, sports and the arts about their success stories and the tools and techniques that help them get there. I hope you enjoy. Please like and subscribe so I can get the message out to as many people as possible. And if you have any questions at all, get in touch using the links on this page.